Tired of dull, frizzy, or lifeless hair? I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 DIY hair masks that I personally use, and they've completely changed how I care for my hair. I'll also be sharing some bonus hair care tips at the end of the video, so make sure to watch all the way through if you're serious about achieving silky, shiny, and smooth hair. But first, let's understand why our hair becomes frizzy. There are many reasons, but let's focus on the most common ones. 1. Lack of moisture. When your hair is dry, it desperately tries to absorb moisture from the air. This causes the hair shaft to swell, and that's when the frizz kicks in. To lock in that much-needed moisture, oil your hair at least twice a week, and never skip the conditioner. 2. Heat and chemical damage. Frequent heat styling, coloring, and perming, all of these break down the natural proteins in your hair. They rob it of its shine, leaving it dry, brittle, and yes, frizzy. But now let's talk about the part you've been waiting for. 3 hair masks that can completely transform your hair from frizzy to silky, soft, and shiny. And the best part? You'll start seeing the difference from the very first use. These aren't your average remedies. They're simple, effective, and use ingredients you already have at home. Let's jump right in. Mask 1 for dry, damaged hair. Let's start with the holy grail for dry and brittle hair. This mask brings moisture back and makes your hair silky soft. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Use a ripe banana because it's easier to blend and has more moisture. I recommend using a blender for a smooth consistency. It makes the application easier. Apply section by section with a brush or your fingers. Leave this mask on for about 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The results? Instant softness and way less frizz. Mask 2 for growth and scalp health. Next up is my go-to mask when my scalp feels irritated or I'm trying to encourage growth. It's soothing, nutrient-rich, and super easy to make. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon olive oil. I like to use fresh aloe from the plant. It feels so calming on the scalp. Massage gently in circular motions for 5 minutes to stimulate hair follicles. This makes a real difference in growth. Leave on 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse with cool water plus mild shampoo. Mask 3 for strength and shine. Now, if you want stronger, thicker, and shinier hair, don't skip this one. It's packed with protein and growth-boosting oils. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 tablespoon castor oil, a few drops of lemon juice. Mix really well to avoid clumps. Apply from roots to ends and cover with a shower cap to keep things neat. Use cold water when rinsing. Trust me, you don't want cooked egg in your hair. Add a drop of essential oil like lavender to reduce the eggy smell. Leave for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse with cold water plus sulfate-free shampoo. These masks are total game changers, but consistency is key. Use one of them once a week based on your hair needs, and always listen to your hair. Comment below on which mask you're most excited to try, or share your own favorite DIY remedy. Don't forget to subscribe to Glamspire for more amazing content. Before we end, here are a few bonus gems to level up your hair game. Use a wooden comb instead of plastic to reduce breakage and static. Braid your hair before bed to prevent tangles and split ends. Trim split ends every 2 to 3 weeks to boost healthy growth. Avoid brushing wet hair. Use a wide tooth comb instead. Protect your hair from sun damage with a hat or UV spray.